Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. As you can see on the screen, 21 orders, $188. I did send 200 and so whatever the offers were pending yesterday. I sent all those offers, 25% off, and there were some sales. So yeah, not bad. This is Easter Tidings, girls playing with hatching chicks, embossed 1916. Sold for $6 on a best offer. This is Victoria, should be Victorian trade card ad GA Costitch Company Nursery, Rochester, New York, circa 1890s. Sold for $11 on a best offer. This is Valentine's To My Valentine poem, Cupid's on Large Heart, artist sign H.B. Griggs. Where is her signature? I don't know. Oh, right there, HBG. There it is. And that sold for $11 on a best offer. Next, Illinois State Flower, Violet, artist sign Ken Hag. $249, came from the auction of 2021. This is Hastings, Nebraska Showboat Auto Court, Texaco gas station and cafe roadside. If I would have had room, I would have put Coca-Cola in the title. Is that Texaco? Did I put Texaco? Yeah, at least put Texaco up there. $18.99. Probably someone took advantage of the 25% off offer. But yeah, $18.99 for that card. That's nice. There's that. I paid 25 cents for it. Got it at the antique mall where the dealer had passed away. Mansfield gas station. This is in Pennsylvania. Powers Corner, Horseshoe Trail, Roosevelt. So Roosevelt Highway is maybe not as collectible as the Lincoln Highway or Route 66, but it has its following. And nice little gas station there. $6 on a best offer. This Florida map, I just relisted this the other day. Someone wanted, they bought one for like $2.50 or no, whatever, 25% off, $1.99, something like that. Or no, it's $1.88. Jeez. Anyway, this person bought three at $1.88. Yeah. So I have to relist that one. I think I still have 25 copies. I'll probably just put them all up so I don't have to keep relisting this. This is Maine, Weld, Maine, Lake Webb, real photo. So I'm not sure if I found out that that's, or I don't know if that's my handwriting. It might be. I have sloppy handwriting, so that could be me. $14.99. This is Jessup, Georgia, Banner Dual View Greetings, Tobacco Fields Horse Plowing. $8.49. Chincoteague, Virginia, Horses on Beach during the Roundup. $7.99 for that one. Next, Beautiful Woman, Red Dress, Unsigned, A. Asti. I'm not sure if this is a tux. No, not a tux, but very similar view to, there's an artist, A. Asti. $2.99. It has some damage, as you can see. Next, Silver Bay Lake, George, New York. Real photo. Terzian. That's the photographer information right there. Terzia. I'm not sure which. $14.99 for that card. Let's look at the back. There's the back. 1942 by looks of things. Valentine's, He Who Loves But One Girl, Pink Bonnet Tux, Brundage. So I don't think Brundage information is anywhere on the front of this card. But if you go to, again, Tux Database, I can't stress this one enough. Tux Database, look up Valentine and then Series 101. You'll see that card is attributed to Francis Brundage. $15 on the best offer. Franklin, Pennsylvania, Aerial View Eclipse Oil Refinery. Has some paper stuck to the back. Still brought in $6.25. Oh, same person bought a different view of the same. Well, it's the the same plant in Oil City, Pennsylvania. $6.25 also. Hightstown, New Jersey, Baptist Church. There's that, and that sold for $7.99. Judaica, Postcard, Jewish New Year, King Solomon cut the child in half. So there's that. Someone did buy a few, well, there were reproductions, but also original or authentic, antique, whatever you want to call it, Jewish New Year in one of my postcard lots. So, sorry about that. Need to optimize my PC, I guess. So $25.99. I think this was off 25% off offer. You can see the condition of this one, and it still brought in $25.99 or 25% off of that or whatever. So those definitely sell very well. I've seen the Jewish New Year ones go for well over 100. Something to keep an eye out for. San Francisco, California, Chinese women and children, Chinatown, 1906. So that's $9.99, and the last one, West Rye, New Hampshire, South Wind Motor Inn Chinese Restaurant. So there's that. So still coasting along, sending offers. Next month, probably 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks or so from now, I'll be close to the 4-month period since my last end and relist. So I'll just let everything coast till then. I'll do the end and relist, get a nice bump in sales, hopefully. Last thing is WhatNot Saturday, 7:30. Just gonna pull from some boxes. Probably pretty laid back than what it has been. But anyway, good sales on eBay, and I hope your sales are even better. Have a good day.